Yes, I can light the whole universe. I am different, I am purpose, I am brilliant. Yes, I feel it.
Hey gorgeous ones. All right, so it's the February BoxyCharm unboxing and giveaway time. Are you ready? All right, so if you would like to see what I got in my BoxyCharm and what I'm going to be giving away, don't go anywhere. All right, so it's time for BoxyCharm. So if you are new to my BoxyCharm monthly unboxing, it's a twofer. So one box is mine, one box is the one that I will be giving away. And it is open internationally. Let me say that. It is open internationally. I don't mind sending it out. Hey, and especially because I know people, overseas can't get the BoxyCharms. So I would love to send it off to some place that someone doesn't get them. But anyway, let's talk the BoxyCharms. Spoiler alert, I have already opened them both. They came, I was like, it was one of them days, and I was like, I'm opening up everything. So I opened them up, and I have to say, this was a decent month for BoxyCharms. Last month, it wasn't that great. January was not. I don't know what March is going to look like with them doing the Boxy Lux. So I'm wondering if they're going to like shortchange the regular BoxyCharm people because they're pushing people to do that Boxy Lux every 3 months, which I am not going to do. Not going to do. But anyway, now here's the other thing with this. People watch this, but they do not enter. So, just got to be honest with you. If this isn't, people want to enter and win this, I might as well stop, because honestly, I am not a subscription box person. I could care less about these boxes. I rather just spend my money on the things I want, especially since I really like doing indie brands. So I could spend this money on indie brands if people really don't want this stuff. So you all tell me the truth. If you all feel like, nah, Lou, you shouldn't be doing these BoxyCharm giveaways, let me know, and then I can stop doing these and I'll work on some other giveaways, even though I have been doing a few here and there. All right, so if you would like, did I just say that like I was doing a different inch? Okay, let's just talk this BoxyCharm. Okay, so let's talk the BoxyCharm. So I grabbed the wrong damn BoxyCharm. Hold on. Okay, I got way too much stuff around here. All right, that's the box that I have to send out because I got to send it out to the January winner. I'm so behind. All right, here is my box. No, this is my box. This is my box. So let me show you what I got in my box. We all know they get the little card, blah, blah, yada, yada, yada. Okay, I guess I should be telling y'all the prices of this stuff. So let me tell y'all the prices of this stuff. Okay, so all of them have this, which is the Touch and Soul No Pore Problem, however they say, No Problem Primer. I have been wanting to try this, so I'm kind of excited to get this. And that is $18. It's like 1 ounce of, 1 ounce. So I'm happy to get that. I'm keeping that. Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, which is, $24. Now, I got enough mascara in here, but I have talked to somebody and we're going to do a switch. I'm getting lashes. They're getting this mascara. So my girl Karen will be getting that probably tomorrow. All right, after I film this. Then I have the Sol de Janeiro Copacabana Cream, which is worth $20. Now, these aren't the full sizes. This is that little mini that you can get, which makes sense because BoxyCharm boxes are small, so they're only going to do so much. Now, let me show you. Let's see how this smells, because I've smelled the Bum Bum cream, but I don't have it. I smelled it. I've never gotten around to buying it. So let's see what this smells like. What does this smell like? This smells like toasted something. It smells like something I've smelled before. I don't know if I like it though. I don't know if I would want to. I don't know if I want to use this though. I'm not sure about this smell, y'all. I'm gonna put it to the side and I'm gonna put it on my hand, see how it feels. But I don't know if me and this smell gonna get along. All right, then I got the Nude Sticks Magnetic Luminous Eye Color, and this is in copper foil. Now, I am not a huge person on this kind of stuff, but actually this is kind of nice. Can y'all see that? I swatched it already, and it was like, whoa. Whoa. So it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. I've never had nude sticks before. So I think I'm going to keep it. If I don't wind up using it out, I'll put it in and declutter and give it to somebody. So it's no big deal. And then I got this, which is the Pretty Vulgar bronzer in Bronze Mannequin. Now this makes me happy because I didn't even hear about this. I heard something about Pretty Vulgar, but I didn't hear about this. So this is like $32. I didn't know this was going to be in here, right? But y'all know I love a bronzer. Now, I was going back and forth because I saw both boxes, but then I swatched it. I was like, well, it's mine now. But it's a really nice bronzer. It's a nice matte bronzer. It's very neutral. I can wear this. I don't have it on today, but I'm happy to have this one. So this, I gotta be honest, this is a good one for me. You know, because like most of them, honestly, I might keep one or two things. But this one, I think, other than the mascara, I'm keeping everything. I'm not sure about the Sol de Janeiro either, but okay. So now here is the box that's going to be given away. And let's see what's in it. Of course, I already know, so, you know. No surprises here. All right, so let me show you what you got. So first off, the same things that I have, which is the No Problem Primer, which is awesome. And then the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Awesomeness. However, this is so awesome because these are two different boxes. Because normally my boxes look almost the same, maybe one thing. This is awesome. Okay, so now let me show you. There's Grande Lips Hydra Plump Liquid Lipstick in River Clay. Now, I haven't opened it at all. Let's see. I'll just open it so you can see the color for the person. So this is it right here, that color. So there's that. That is so cool. And then the Pretty Vulgar Highlighter in Shimmering Swan. I don't know what the color is, but it looks like a deeper gold. I would love to see what this is because now I want to swatch it, but I know I can't. I will not touch it, but I do want to swatch it. I'm just telling y'all the truth. I want to swatch it. I want to swatch it. And then finally, what's in here? This is, listen, I almost kept this one. I almost switched out the bronzer and kept this one. This is the Tula Bright All Night Energizing Sheet Mask, and you get 2 of them. I've never heard of this company, but you tell me some sheet masks, I'm all in. These are, let me see how much these, $24 for these. So I guess they $12 a piece. Ooh, whoever wins this know I like you because and they're really nicely put together because they're in these little separate bags. Whoa, what is this? Hold up, let me check this for y'all. Let me check this because I never opened it. Let me check something. Oh, this is a good deal, y'all. You're going to get 4 sheet masks because it's 2 of these things and it's 2 of them in it. Damn, I should refilm this and I should refilm this. No, Louise, you're not going to refilm it. Put it back in there. Let them have it. You said it was a giveaway. You're going to give it away. Okay, now, there we go. I did it. And I'm going to leave this in here so y'all can see how the honesty of me at this moment. Because I want these damn sheet masks. I want them bad now. Damn, I should have. Because anybody else would have took that damn Copacabana. I could have just threw that shit in there and they'd have been like, ooh, yay. All right. Okay, so that's it. Make sure you look in the description box to go ahead and, you know, get in the giveaway. And it's open international. And I'm giving y'all the box, even though I want to take something out the box. All right, that's it. Go ahead. Make sure, you know, if you win, I will contact you via email. You know how it works. All right, it's Shalulu. Be bold, be brave, be fearless, be free. Be honest, because I wasn't going to be. All right.